Hello again, I'm Jane Willingale of Silverzone Printables, and I'm developing this channel now to cover all things related to self-publishing and online creativity. And if that kind of thing interests you, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be sure not to miss these kind of videos when I post them. Today I'm going to explain to you why you don't need to be terrified of creativity and introduce you to Marion Blake of Marion's Design. That's marions.design. She's the co-author, along with Di Hooser of PLR Planners, of Digital Planner Bonanza. And if you've not seen that project, you can find it at this link, and I'll pop that in the description below. She has a new course called Creativity for the Terrified. I've got to say I loved the name, so I had to take a look. Whilst I'm not particularly scared of this genre, I find it's always good to look at other methods for creating. Well, anything really. You always find something new to consider. Marion's course has sprung from her own fear of just playing around with software and seeing what could be created, and she's produced a superb course covering all the details that most of us encounter when trying to do our best in the online world. She describes it as following a recipe in a cookbook, and who amongst us has not done that at some point? So what can you expect to learn here? Well, let's dive in and take a look. She starts off with 2 ways to create colour schemes so you've colours that go together, how to convert those colours into 5 types of background images, how to mix the background types to make more background variations, really useful, how to use photos on your phone to create blending layers to make more background variations, and how one free program can convert your images into cartoons, watercolours and even abstract designs that you can use on their own or as a blending layer, and how to create sticker designs, motifs and washi tape in PowerPoint, and how to add the backgrounds you've made to make them unique. Once you've followed the directions a few times, she recommends you play and follow her what happens if process. Press a button, add more layers, motifs, and see where it takes you. Sometimes down a rabbit hole to a terrible end, and occasionally to something quite stunning. But that's the whole creative process, and if it's not something you're used to, then you'll find it fascinating to follow. The possibilities here are endless. If you're into card making, you can create your own paper backgrounds, stickers, internal editions, and loads more. If you already create products for online publishing, this will help free you from having to buy stock, worrying about copyrights, or having to wait on outsourcers. She uses free software alongside PowerPoint, and although the latter is a paid-for program, chances are if you've any kind of Microsoft Office suite, you will already have it. If not, you can pick it up really cheaply along with the basic suite by just searching on Google for Microsoft Office. Don't buy the subscription. Well, unless you want to, of course. You can get 2016 or even 2013 still for a one-off price of generally less than £30 or $35. Everything she shows you how to do can be done in all the bigger paid-for programs like Adobe and Affinity, of course. So if you already have those, it's just a matter of looking up the translation of the commands and menu structures. A bit of a faff maybe, but I think if you know your way around the programs quite well, you should be able to do that. So if I know how to use those programs, why do I need this course, do I hear you ask? Well, because you can always find something new, a different perspective of looking at things. I've already found things in this course I'd not even thought of, and I'm an Adobe user of some 10 years. And I don't say that to brag because I'm not the best user, but I'm just saying it shakes you up to make you think of a different way of looking at stuff. The course will make you think about everyday things and how you can adapt them for your creativity. There are 37 videos broken up into the following sections, the main sections of which are the introduction with 2 videos, how to cover images and colour schemes, that's 6 videos, how to create colour schemes, how to keep things tidy, 4 videos, that's how to set up new folders and generally organise your desktop, shapes and icons, 8 videos, what kind of icons are available with the software, where to get more, how to use them, Getting Creative, Playing with Your Colour Scheme. That's 7 videos of how to just play and create using the colours you like. And then another one which is Now Let's Play Some More, which some 8 more videos, and that just covers more suggestions. And then she gives you a bonus file and a resources file, which, well, really, you don't need anything else. You just go through and collect all these things. Her bonuses are great. She's taken some pictures which she's letting you have for copyright-free use, which will start you off if you don't have any pictures of your own. Now, don't panic that this will be hours and hours of your life to get through. There are some 3 hours of videos, all in easy bite-sized time slots of anywhere between 2 to 6 minutes, which is great, as it means you can dip in and out of the relevant sections and not spend ages fast-forwarding looking for that one piece of information. It's really useful. There's lots of very helpful resources and links to free sites to create different projects. Marion goes through where to access, how to access, and what to do with what you've collected and saved. There are no upsells. At the time of recording, this course is selling at the early bird price of $19.97. The price will eventually revert to the normal sale price of $29.99. At either price, it represents fantastic value. And if you think this would suit you, there is a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, remember to click the subscribe button and notification bell and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. I've been Jane Willingale of Silverzone Printables. Till the next time, stay safe. See you soon.